We have to talk about Qualcomm buying NXP. We understood that China had approved that deal, which is terribly important to Qualcomm. Is it in jeopardy?
It could be. I mean, look, this deal has been basically a political football between the United States and China for some time. At least that's what Qualcomm believes, although there are legitimate reasons for antitrust authorities to look at that combination. It's a little bit ironic, too, because Qualcomm has blamed the U.S.-China tensions for holding up this merger. But at the same time, Qualcomm has also benefited from U.S.-China tensions because it squashed this hostile takeover that Broadcom was trying to do for Qualcomm. So Qualcomm has been kind of on each side of this divide.
But as far as we know, is the Chinese approval tied to the overall trade relations, or is it tied more specifically to ZTE? Because a perception there's sort of a quid pro quo between President Xi and President Trump on that.
That's right. There is this perception, right, that you know, the U.S. cracked down on ZTE, and therefore the Chinese antitrust authority held up this NXP merger for Qualcomm. I don't think we know for sure whether there is this quid pro quo, either formally or informally. Again, that's certainly the belief in Qualcomm circles, but as I mentioned, there are legitimate reasons for antitrust authorities in China or elsewhere to take a look at this combination. And so we'll see what happens. I mean, it's definitely, if you look at NXP and Qualcomm share prices this morning, they're clearly reacting like this increased U.S.-China tensions or this renewed U.S.-China tensions on tariffs are going to jeopardize that NXP deal.